All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to be doing an affiliate bootcamp review 2025. This is the revamped version of affiliate bootcamp by Russell Brunson that he did a few years ago. The difference is with the previous version, what you could do, you could just go through each module without any accountability, without implementing any of the, training that was taught, and a lot of people get caught up in that. They go through all the videos, but they don't come back and implement anything. So he has fixed that in a way with the new affiliate bootcamp 2025 version of it. Is the way he has it set up now with mission 1. Okay, if you see here, partner with Russell, once you watch this version right here of this module right here, number 2 will not open up to 24 hours later. So if you open it up at 3 o'clock today, it'll be 3 o'clock tomorrow before you can actually go to the step of mission number 2, simply because he wants you to implement what you are learning in here. So as you can see, I've already gone through mission 1, mission 2. I started mission 3 this morning. I have completed it and things like that. So mission 4, setting up the profit centers will not open for me until tomorrow. Now, understand this about this as well. There are 6 income streams inside of the affiliate bootcamp, okay, that anytime someone comes through the system, you earn a commission off of those income streams in here. In other words, if someone comes and purchases all 6 income streams in here, you are going to earn on all 6 income streams. Your affiliate link will be in here, and the only thing you have to do is promote one link, and you don't have to worry about how you're going to promote it, because if you come down through here, he's going to show you everything done for your emails, your first 100 clicks, Think and Grow Rich, funnel hacking, sending your first broadcast, YouTube contests, and all of that. So he's going to show you how to get traffic inside of here as well. So you have your income stream. I'm on the Start Here tab. You're going to have income stream that you can tap into, that you're going to be able to put in all of your affiliate links in here. Okay. So you'll be ready to go. Then you have some other streams. This is an upsell, super affiliate verification. If I open up a new tab, let's see what happens. So yeah, this is an upsell that you can get access to as well in here. And then as well as affiliate clipping secrets is another upsell. So there are some upsells going through this process, but the beauty of this one is you can get access to the affiliate bootcamp for only $7, okay, per month, or you can get access to it for $97 one time, which gives you access to the entire system. You don't have to pay any monthly fees. And if you get it for the $97, you're able to earn 100% commission. Now, I'm not going to get into all of that. Russell explains how it works in the video. Okay, so you'll know how that's done. So that's what you're going to get access to. Remember, everything is locked when you go through mission 1. Mission 2 does not open up to 24 hours later. Mission 3 the same way, so far, so on. So you'll be going through here for a while. But in the meantime, you can be implementing what it is that he has for you to do. That's the whole purpose of this. He wants you to implementing and learning what it is that you need to do to be a beginner affiliate marketer, even if you're at the immediate stage, okay, and you're still learning the ropes. This is a great, system for you to tap into. And coming from Russell Brunson, we know he's, the co-owner of ClickFunnels and Offer Labs and One Funnel Away and all of these other things that he has done. Russell is successful. And if you want to be successful, then you do what successful people do. Okay. So when I saw this, I said, $97 one time, it can't be all bad. And you don't have any monthly fees. Now, like I said, if you want to do the $7, you can do that as well. But that's totally up to you. $7 a month, but $97 one time. So you have that option right there. Okay, and you have the partner with Russell here. You're going to go through all of the training and everything here that is laid out for you and everything. So if I click on the introduction right here, it's going to take me right back to the introduction, the community, the commissions, all of that right there that I have gone through. That's the partner with Russell, becoming an entrepreneur, okay? Beating resistance. Then he talks about extreme ownership and your definite purpose here in these videos here. And then in the affiliate bootcamp, this is as far as I have gotten. He talks about what is affiliate marketing for people who have, if you're a beginner. He explains what affiliate marketing is, okay? And it's simply you being the middleman between somebody like Amazon and the person that wants to purchase on Amazon. You're that middle person. So he explains that. Then he talks about the affiliate bootcamp, download a PDF guide, getting your basic tools. Right here, of course, he's going to be presenting you with click funnels, which of course you can use any funnel builder that you want. I mean, if you have access to a funnel builder, then you can use that one. If you don't, get at me. I can give you access to a funnel builder that I'm using. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you that I have the funnel that I have created around this product right here in a few minutes. Okay. And then review the new business model. Okay. So I have gone through, this is as far as I can get on today. The next one is going to be setting up the profit centers, and if I click on it, okay, it's going to tell me enrolled module for setting up profits and not enrolled in it. So it's not going to let me move on until tomorrow, but make sure you implement what you're doing along the way. Okay. So not only are you going to get access to this for $97 one time or $7 per month, it's totally up to you. You can also get access to the school group, okay? And they're going to ask you some questions before you get in the group. And if you come through the group, you're going to see some people that have, some wins. Some people are asking questions. So this is where your support is going to be in here as well. So I've gotten access to this group here as well. And so you're going to get access to it. So the group is highly active. You got people in here asking questions. People are getting answers. Everything you need is going to be inside of here, inside of the affiliate evolution. Now, what I have done based off of this affiliate bootcamp, I actually created me a funnel myself. Okay. And this is a funnel that I created. And I try to keep it congruent with the colors. It may not be the exact background that Russell has, but it's the colors are pretty much the same. I put my own video here. I put everything, what you're going to get with the affiliate bootcamp here. And then the bonuses that I'm offering right here. I'm offering a fast start checklist, expanded guide, a $97 value, shiny object detox plan, expanded guide, $97 value. Bonus traffic playbook, expanded guide, $197 value. 7-day email sequence, expanded guide, $297 value. Okay, content swipe file, social plus ad copy, $197 value. Social media strategy guide, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, $197 value. Mindset and motivational guide to stay the course, a $97 value. So I'm giving you a bonuses worth, $179. This is exclusively when you join me inside of the affiliate bootcamp. If you should decide to join me, if I get a notification, I'm going to send you the email once I find out you have signed up for either the $97 purchase one time or the $7 per month. Really doesn't make a difference. Either way it go, you're going to get the bonuses. And if you don't have any bonuses of your own, then you can use these bonuses to, for people who are going to join you as well. So I'm going to give them to you, but I'm going to ask that you please do not, actually give these away if someone has not joined you. Okay. So I ask that you do that. So what you're going to do, you're going to click the link in the description below. Okay. Come to this button right here and just click on join now. Pop-up's going to come up. Put in your name and your best email and click the join now button. Once you do that, it's going to take you straight over to Russell Brunson's actual page, okay? Affiliate bootcamp page where you can watch him explain everything to you, okay? And then you can get signed up. You're going to come to this page right here. You're going to watch this by Russell Brunson, Watch the video, let him explain everything to you. It's a short video. You can come down here and click this button and click Join Affiliate Bootcamp now. Read all of this information if you want to, but just go ahead on and get started. I mean, Russell Brunson is doing the teaching. This is coming from Russell Brunson. You know, if you're going to have success, they said follow and, you know, do what successful people do. So Russell Brunson, we know he's had all of the success and much more and still having success. Now he wants you to have that same success. So click the link that's in the description. You're going, once again, you're going to come to this page right here. Okay. Watch this video from me. Look at the bonuses that I'm going to give you here. $1,179 worth of bonuses that you're going to get from me. Click on this button right here, fill in your information, come to this page, watch this video, click this button right here to get started with the brand new Affiliate Bootcamp by Russell Brunson. I'm looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions, reach out to me, leave me a comment below. Looking forward to you joining. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.